Let's draw the Lewis structure for N2H2. This is also called hydrazine. So the first thing with Lewis structures, we count the number of valence electrons. So the periodic table can help us do that. We find nitrogen, that's in group 15, sometimes called 5A, 5 valence electrons. We have 2 nitrogen atoms, plus hydrogen right here, group 1. All of these have 1 valence electron, and we have 2 hydrogen atoms. 10 plus 2, 12 total valence electrons for the N2H2 Lewis structure. When we draw Lewis structures, we put the least electronegative element in the center, but hydrogen, it always goes on the outside. So let's put 2 nitrogens in the center and then hydrogens on the outside. Next, we're going to put 2 electrons between atoms, and that's going to form our chemical bond. So we'll put 2 here and right here. So we formed our chemical bonds. We have 2, 4, 6. We've used 6 valence electrons. We have 12 total valence electrons for the N2H2 Lewis structure. So hydrogen only needs 2 valence electrons to complete its outer shell. So hydrogen is good. Let's complete the octets on the nitrogen. And remember, we have 6 valence electrons left. And now we've run out of valence electrons. We've used 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, but we don't have an octet on this nitrogen right here. What we can do is move a pair of electrons between the nitrogen atoms to form a double bond. So now each nitrogen has 8, each hydrogen has 2, and we're only using 12 valence electrons. So this is the correct Lewis structure for N2H2. And this is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.